In the heart of a massive earth-moving operation, one machine dominates the entire job site, the powerful Caterpillar 365C excavator. This giant machine is not just moving dirt, it is controlling the speed, rhythm, and productivity of the entire operation. Every bucket matters, and every movement affects fuel, efficiency, and production. Today, the Caterpillar 365C is working alongside heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz Arocs and MAN TGS trucks in a demanding earth-moving environment where precision and teamwork are essential. This is real heavy equipment engineering in action. The operator inside the excavator must constantly manage digging force, bucket angle, swing timing, and truck positioning. Even a small mistake can reduce efficiency or damage expensive equipment. That is why experienced excavator operators are highly respected across the heavy machinery industry. The Caterpillar 365C is known worldwide for its combination of hydraulic power, stability, and smooth operating performance. Built for mining, quarry work, large construction projects, and overburden removal, this excavator is designed to handle extreme workloads under difficult conditions. As the bucket cuts into the ground, the hydraulic system delivers enormous force with remarkable precision. Within seconds, tons of material are lifted from the earth. But efficient truck loading is not only about raw power, it's about timing and coordination. The Mercedes-Benz Arocs are engineered for heavy-duty hauling in harsh environments. They're reinforced frames, advanced suspension systems, and powerful drivetrains allow them to transport massive loads safely and efficiently. Meanwhile, the MAN TGS trucks are respected globally for durability, reliability, and fuel-efficient performance on demanding job sites. Together, these machines create a highly efficient loading cycle. The excavator digs, the truck moves into position, the operator swings smoothly, the bucket unloads, and the cycle repeats continuously. Professional site managers carefully monitor loading cycles because even small improvements can significantly increase daily production. If trucks wait too long, fuel is wasted. If the excavator pauses unnecessarily, productivity drops. Balanced loading is also extremely important because uneven loads can increase tire wear, reduce truck stability, and create safety risks. This is why precision matters on every cycle. Operating a machine of this size requires more than basic driving skills. Professional operators need excellent hand-eye coordination, hydraulic awareness, terrain understanding, and strong safety discipline developed through years of experience. Inside the cab, the operator constantly monitors truck alignment, bucket height, ground stability, and nearby activity. Safety remains the highest priority on every professional job site. Modern excavation operations use strict safety systems, including high-visibility work zones, truck communication procedures, swing radius protection, ground stability inspections, hydraulic system checks, and emergency shutdown protocols. These systems help reduce risks and maintain safe working conditions for everyone on site. Beyond engineering and safety, machines like the Caterpillar 365C excavator attract millions of viewers worldwide because of their incredible size and mechanical power. Watching thousands of kilograms of steel move with smooth precision is impressive at any scale. The excavator's massive bucket alone is larger than many passenger vehicles. When the machine swings with a full load, the suspension systems on the trucks respond instantly under the weight transfer. This is industrial power working at full capacity. Despite its size, the Caterpillar 365C operates with impressive control and accuracy. A skilled operator can place material precisely where needed, while maintaining smooth hydraulic movement and efficient cycle times. Efficient operation also reduces fuel consumption. Fuel is one of the largest costs in large-scale earth-moving operations, and excavators and haul trucks consume significant amounts of diesel every day. For this reason, operators are trained to minimize idle time, maintain smooth cycles, and optimize digging angles for maximum efficiency. Maintenance is equally important. Heavy equipment operates under constant stress from heat, vibration, dust, and heavy loads. Hydraulic systems, tracks, cylinders, filters, cooling systems, and structural components all require regular inspection and maintenance. Without proper servicing, equipment failures can stop production and delay major projects. That is why maintenance teams play a critical role in every successful operation. Behind every large earth-moving project is a team of operators, mechanics, engineers, truck drivers, and safety specialists working together to keep projects moving efficiently and safely. Around the world, large infrastructure projects depend on machines like the Caterpillar 365C excavator. Roads, tunnels, dams, railways, industrial facilities, and mining operations all begin with excavation work by powerful machines like these. Heavy equipment is one of the foundations of modern infrastructure development. As the Caterpillar 365C continues loading trucks without interruption, the operation demonstrates the importance of engineering, teamwork, and precision in large-scale construction and mining environments. Another truck moves into position. The hydraulic system builds pressure. The bucket cuts into the ground once again. Dust rises into the air as another heavy load is transferred with precision and control. For heavy machinery enthusiasts, scenes like this represent the perfect combination of power, technology, and operator skill. Steel, hydraulics, diesel power, and human experience working together in complete coordination. The Caterpillar 365C continues operating efficiently, the trucks continue transporting material, and the project continues moving forward, one load at a time. If you enjoy heavy machinery, giant excavators, mining equipment, and professional construction operations, subscribe for more large-scale heavy equipment documentaries and industrial action videos from around the world. Which machine on this job site impresses you the most? The Caterpillar excavator, the Mercedes truck, or the MAN truck? Share your opinion in the comments and join the discussion with heavy equipment fans worldwide.